Wow, you talk about a winter wonderland, a white Christmas. Calgon take me away. Two back-to-back blizzards in 1 week, and another one coming Sunday with 2 feet.
Yo, people, welcome to Philly.
You see this? YouTube, this is what we got to do here. This is the beautifulness of the beautifulness.
Philly, loud and proud, baby.
Trees falling in front of people's yards and stuff. Look how tall this is up to me. My little short behind. I can't even get myself.
It's 5 foot high. So.
Yeah, I know. This car right here is covered. This car.
You put on YouTube.
He's in Spain. He gotta have the footage, you know, the evidence to show. Look at my car. I had to shovel my car out. Big Mike car. Yo, did you look at that back yet?
I went right down the back with the truck and all.
You went down?
I just drove down it. I got 4-wheel drive, dude.
Yeah, you got a truck though also. I can't do that with my car. I tear the bottom of my car up. I'm gonna go take a look at this backyard. Shoveling. So we didn't have to. Wow. This is my driveway. This is a lot of work, y'all. Just letting y'all know. Look at this shit. Oh my goodness. Gotta love it. What you gonna do? Enjoy it where you at, Willie, and everybody else out there, because we getting it bad here. You know what I mean? We getting it real bad here. It's a terrible day in Zamunda. Look at this, Keenan. Look at this. Car's covered up. Trash man ain't coming to get our trash today. He gonna dig through the snow to get it. Hey. About to bust my shit. Yeah, Mike. I don't think the trash man coming to get our trash today.
They ain't said they weren't.
Yeah, they can't. They got to dig through, you know, all kinds of hours worth of trash to get to it.